The bamboo that bends is stronger than the oak that resists. Japanese proverb mau in thlep chu sa suwa thing in kokal nuai ai chuan a nget zawk. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Never give it. Eleanor Roosevelt. Tu man irem ti na tel lovin ril nuai nung po in an siam thei lo che chu chu phal ngai su. It was a high counsel that I once heard given to a young person. Always do what you are afraid to do. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Kum lanaw pang takne na englai puin titur ihlau khatiro ti thu ka riat voi khat chu in fui na ro puyani. Death is not the greatest loss in life. The greatest loss is what dies inside us while we live. Norman Cousins. Thi na hi ring nu na chan na nasaber anilo. Chan na nasaber zog chu kan nun lai renga kan chunga thi hi ani. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the right worthwhile. Franklin P. Jones. Mangay na hiyan ko vel hi akal kualtir vel lo. Mangay na chu chumihlutak siyam tuzok chu ani. Seek opportunity, not security. A boat in a harbor is safe, but in time, its bottom will rot out. H. Jackson Brown, Jr. Himna nilovin, hunrem chang zok vongro. Longchol muna longchu ahima, ma se ahuna chuan, at wailam thlengin a kedar chuak vekang. Do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking. William B. Sprague. Thir chu asat thlenga chuturin nga kher su ma se ichut mek lain tisaro. We must overcome the notion that we must be regular. It drops you off the chance to be extraordinary and leads you to the mediocre. Uta Hagen. Kanintluk nge iturani ti rindan hi kanne nge iturani chu chuan midang lambik nitura hunthai nei kharuk sakchia misatlia niturin ruai chi ani. Risk more than others think is safe. Care more than others think is wise. Dream more than others think is practical. Expect more than others think is possible. Claude Bissell. Midang tengai tu aya, lauthon om khopa thil tina tamzok hi ahima. Midang tengai tu aya, ngai sakna tamzok hi afinga. Midang tengai tu aya, suang tuana tamzok hi atrangkaya. Midang tengai tu aya, beisei tamzok hi athayani. A happy person is not a person in a certain set of circumstances, but rather a person with a certain set of attitudes. Hugh Downs. Mihlim chu thil ni na sang tea om nilovin. Ngai dan sang tenena zok hi ani. For a long time, it seemed to me that real life was about to begin, real life, but there was always some obstacle in the way. Something had to be got through first, some unfinished business, time still to be served, or a debt to be paid. Then life would begin. At last, it dawned on me that these obstacles were my life. Father Alfred D. Souza. Hunrei tak liam ta khan sing nun tak tak chu keima a hian tran ni na langa nun tak tak chu ma se englai point chu mi konga chuan har sat na then khat a oma thil then khat kaltlang masak tur nen na then khat la zo fel lo te na thok turin hun chu pek reng kani barul tur nen ti chuan nun chu tan ani ang atopa chuan heng har sat na zong zong te hi kanunan ni ti keima hian alang fi ani. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Thil tum dang buat sai turin emo suang tu na thar ngai tu turin yu palutuk ngai lo. Life strings or expense in proportion to one's courage. Anais nin. Mi in huai sen na nei zi ang zelin shing nun chu atom te emo athang lian thin. You don't get to choose how you're going to die or when, but you can decide how you're going to live now. Joan Bees. Eng tin nge ithi ang emo eng huna nge dui thlang theilo ma se tun huna hian eng tin nge nun I manang tia ero du thlan na isiam the. Security is mostly a superstition. It does not exist in nature, nor do the children of men as a whole experience it. Avoiding danger is no safer in the long run than outright exposure. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Helen Keller. Him nahi abera chuan puithu na ane. Khwarel thila hian a omlo. Mishing fatia apumpui angin tonsiat alanilo. Thui tak tlan na lau om kalsan hi. Ang iya langana sualay lan na ayin ahim lau zog shing nun hi huay taka nun chan na imo eng ma lau mayani. Only put off until tomorrow what you are willing to die, having left undone. Pablo Picasso. Enge thi du chan ti zolo nei chungin naktu kani ma lo chuan chu chau chu da thlaro. Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. John Wooden. Ithil ti theilo te kha ithil ti thei te nen indip dal tir su. Never let the odds keep you from doing what you know in your heart you were meant to do. H. Jackson Brown Jr. Ithin lunga om ti tura idu ishiat kha thil khai khin na tenen inchel tir ngai su. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Abraham Lincoln. thingki tluk na hun darkar rukmin pela tichuan a hmasa darkar li chu hreipui tah hriam nan ka hmangang